So I thought I would cover the recent changes I've been making to the game. I've taken a break from the netcode here for just a little bit because I've been sick of doing code where I can't really shoot people in the face once I'm done. And so I've worked on Raiden, I've made some changes to it and improved it a bit, and I've also implemented a grenade launcher. So first we'll start with Raiden. Oh, one second. So, first thing you'll hear there is the equipped noise for Raiden is unique to the gun. Hopefully this will help people when they're equipping weapons to to be able to identify which weapon they're equipping. Now, as for major change to this gun, I've added a pull force to it. This pull force grows over distance until the weapon's maximum range is reached. Now, for most people that probably seems backwards. For most, I would assume it would make more sense to have pull strength grow as you got closer. I actually tried that, and I found that what happens is because this weapon is so much easier to use at close range, you end up trapping players, and it's very easy to do. Whereas if the force grows, I found that it's kind of a self-balancing thing. It requires so much skill to be able to track players for a meaningful amount of time that they're very unlikely to get trapped. And even if they do, they're at enough of a range that dodging tends to still play out well. So this mechanic we'll be dealing with. I also experimented with making it to where it didn't just pull you towards players, but I actually experimented with it on world geometry here. And unfortunately, I was thinking when I initially made it, I was like, ooh, maybe this could be something of a down jet kind of thing. But I found that all it did was completely make the jetpack pointless. So I removed that functionality. But anyhow, that's enough with the Raiden. This is the grenade launcher, as you heard there, hopefully. You heard that it also has a unique equip sound, although in this case you really shouldn't have any problems identifying this as a grenade launcher, just due to the weapon's position on your screen. Now this is at this point I would call it a fully functional weapon. All that needs to happen is it'll be balanced. I mean, I've done some minor balancing to it just because there were things that were just completely silly, like I've adjusted the speed and such, but it'll be more balanced to it. So what you're seeing here will vary slightly when you get it in your hands, but at this point it works completely. And this is a full inheritance weapon. It's planned to be a full inheritance weapon. The reasoning behind it is a grenade launcher is a dueling weapon. Almost in every game it's ever been used in, because of the nature of the just high-speed nature of dueling in this game, full inheritance is preferred for something like this. Now, the mortar, when that's implemented, which likely will be actually pretty quickly after this, because the mortar is virtually identical in function to a grenade launcher, that actually is planned to be a 0% or speed inheritance weapon. I haven't decided on which. I'm going to try out and try the feel on both. But for now, that's it for this update video. More weapons, hooray! Anyhow, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can of course post them on the YouTube channel or the game forums. And for those of you who are interested in the source code, the updated source code for the latest release has been posted. There are new instructions on how to extract it because Minus recently stopped supporting the uploading of archived files. So you'll have to read through the source files page to figure out how to do that. Anyhow, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.